financial markets depend on information. And if the actors in the financial market are consuming false information, they will make wrong decisions. So I urge our Jamaican people, particularly when it comes to financial matters, seek verified information before you use that to form your opinion. The Jamaican banking sector, despite whatever nonsense you see circulating, is still very strong. There is always room for improvement, and you would have heard the Minister of Finance yesterday go through in excruciating detail the reforms that we will undertake to close any gaps that may exist or others that may come. But the sky has not fallen as some would have projected it would have. There are always people out there whose interests are not yours. They want to influence investor decision. They want to, obviously there's always the politics, right, for propaganda, or they just want to create mischief. Now you as an investor, you listen to this and you go and make a wrong decision. Now multiply wrong decisions by savers, investors, right across the country, and you see what happens to the banking and financial sector. So I have to say it publicly, and one would wish that in 21st century Jamaica, that wouldn't be the case. But unfortunately, it is the case regarding not just our financial literacy, but our information literacy as well.